9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Happy birthday, Nati! Waling! More birthdays to come. Ampong, sana dakal pang blessings natang kaya kawali. Miminga ka lagi ni. Pasensya na. Iya ka mimiya ka punta ni. Iya ka magtampo ka ko ha. Mama, chup chup. Love you, Buso. Ay, love you, Wali.
Happy birthday, my friend. I'm really grateful to have you in my life. You bring so much joy and positivity to everyone around you. I hope this year brings you all the happiness you deserve. Enjoy your special day. I love you. And God bless you.
Happy birthday, my loving friend! I'm so glad we're friends so long. Thank you sa pag-imbita sa amin dalawa ni Fe for your special day. More happiness in your life. Love you, friend. God bless. Happy birthday!
Hi Nati! Kamusta na? Long time no hear, long time no see. Gusto na kitang bati ng happy birthday. Wish you all the best. Enjoy life and live in the fullest. Enjoy lang. And thank you.
Why?
Okay, okay. Ay, game na. Happy birthday, Mac! Happy birthday! Sana dakal pang birthday nga kayo mo. Tutag mo. Makwarta! Oh, Nano. Wang. Hello, friend, ha? Happy birthday, ha? Pasensya na kami po, di kami kumiyakapin ka na kita sa iba na. Pero anyway, happy birthday. English kaya ka sana, hinanapan ka na happy new blessing. Kaya sana, alim kami kakalimutan nyo, ha? Happy birthday.
Happy birthday! 65th birthday, Nati! Wish ko kaya ka good health lagi. Di na nakapang makabagbiyan ng hapong Ginoo. At sana biya tapa malambat. Sana maging malago ka pa. Magpayayat ka mo bagya. Pasensya, no? May kapunta ni Marayo kasi. Wata nang datang ka ni Tarlac. O sige, happy birthday uli. God bless. Good health. And more birthdays to celebrate pa. Love you, Nati! Happy birthday uli!
Happy birthday to my BFF Nati. Sorry, wala ako sa birthday mo. But I'm sure masaya ka kasi kasama mo yung buong pamilya mo at yung mga special friends mo. Ang wish ko sa iyo, good health and more birthdays to come. I love you.